Okay, good afternoon mga kabuchi. Welcome to our channel. So it's 12 noon mga kabuchi and the weather is gloomy mga kabuchi. And here in our garden mga kabuchi, we don't have enough sunlight. So the first thing I check mga kabuchi is our lemon. So the fruits of our lemon mga kabuchi are not doing well. So almost all fruit mga kabuchi did not survive. And this one mga kabuchi, oh, this is also going to mga kabuchi, to fall. So one left and I don't think that one will survive mga kabuchi. But it's okay. Because right now mga kabuchi, what I wanted is for this lemon to grow high. I don't mind if they won't bear some fruits mga kabuchi as long as they can grow big mga kabuchi. And then our ceiling panigang mga kabuchi doesn't have any fruits at all. I don't know what happened. Maybe lack of water or allergies. Allergies. I don't know mga kabuchi. Our lime here mga kabuchi is also, I think, doing well. So it's taller. The lime seems to be taller and thicker than our balidi, sorry. Our lemon, our lemon is thicker and taller compared to our lime. So limoncito mga kabuchi. And this one is lemon mangyapon sa Bisaya. I'm not sure. So let's take away some of the weeds mga kabuchi. So I think that chicken visited the area mga kabuchi. No? Look at that, oh. So the leaves are already outside the raised bed mga kabuchi. So the chicken did visit here mga kabuchi. But at least mga kabuchi, because of the gloomy weather, these beans here mga kabuchi are almost ready to climb up mga kabuchi. So I hope that they can feel the presence of this stick mga kabuchi and that they can use this stick to climb up mga kabuchi. And to my surprise mga kabuchi, I was able to see an ampalaya fruit down there. Let's go and check here mga kabuchi. Oh. See, that's ampalaya mga kabuchi. So I think this is now the fruit of my newly planted ampalaya mga kabuchi. This one mga kabuchi. Unsa man atong kuan eh? Atong trono. So this one mga kabuchi ba, this ampalaya here was able to survive. Oh! And now we have second fruit mga kabuchi here, oh. So we now have two fruits from our ampalaya. What a quite surprise mga kabuchi. And then by next week mga kabuchi, we will go to Bantayan mga kabuchi and we will bring this loya mga kabuchi. So we will dig this plant down and then we will gather the rhizomes mga kabuchi and bring them to Bantayan Island mga kabuchi. So once I'm done digging this out from the garden mga kabuchi, I'll plant another ampalaya here mga kabuchi. So I think three ampalaya mga kabuchi. We will plant 3 ampalaya down here mga kabuchi. So that I have the beans in that corner and ampalaya in this corner. So good luck to them mga kabuchi, no? Good luck to them. So our tomato mga kabuchi has no fruits at all. And this sili here, mga kabuchi, still has no fruits. So the sili find it difficult to dwell with the current weather, mga kabuchi. So that's how I am seeing my garden right now, and the compost I have here, mga kabuchi. So this is dried leaves and chicken manure that we bought up, mga kabuchi. That was given to me, mga kabuchi. But there are a lot of stones, mga kabuchi, in the chicken manure that those folks were selling, mga kabuchi. It's not a good purchase at all. And then this is the last. Oh, I have not shown you the eye. So like this one, mga kabuchi, wherein we got pots here surrounding our lemon. I copied this idea, mga kabuchi, and applied it here, mga kabuchi. So we surrounded the plant, the lime, with this plant pots, mga kabuchi, and then we will slowly but surely dump some organic matters in the middle, mga kabuchi. And then hopefully during the rainy days, mga kabuchi, because this area will have some flood, mga kabuchi, the water will stay here for a while, mga kabuchi, though it will drain to the ground, mga kabuchi, but for hours this area here will be all water. So at least if we can have this area a bit elevated, mga kabuchi, so we can protect the plant from the flood and also from the soil erosion, mga kabuchi. So I hope that I'll be successful with my lime and lemon project, mga kabuchi. And then this area, mga kabuchi, I'm done planting with ginger in this area, mga kabuchi. So for the next season, mga kabuchi, I will not be planting ginger here. So the ginger will stay outside here on the side of my garden up there. And then as you can see, the eggplant already died here, mga kabuchi. I'll just let the eggplant go, mga kabuchi, and I'll have, how about planting ampalaya, no? You know, I really like planting ampalaya. Maybe I'll plant ampalaya also here, no, if the ginger cannot survive, mga kabuchi. Because I've already planted ginger here. And look at where the ginger. They're not here. So maybe I'll try planting the ampalaya, mga kabuchi. But we will do that by next week, mga kabuchi. Because next week, the moon is full, and then there is the low tide is unsa na siya, very low. The low tide is very low. So there's a good low tide, mga kabuchi, next week. So we will take that opportunity to plant the ampalaya, mga kabuchi, into this area, mga kabuchi, so that we will be full of ampalaya and string beans, mga kabuchi. So good luck to you, string beans. I hope you can find your way up. Bitaw dara man diri ang pool. Oh, layo kay ka sa pool, dara ang pool. Or I have to relocate this one. Here, maybe I can adjust this a bit, no? I can still adjust that one. I'll adjust that, mga kabuchi. So for now, this is the end of our video, mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. By the way, we are already on week number 22 of year 2025. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.